Hi friends, today we see how to install or assemble the hand sanitizer machine. For that we required some material like this. This is the RO body, easily available in market, and this is the booster pump, and this is the Accord controller, touch-free sanitizer controller, and this is the SMPS 24 volt 1.5 ampere, and this is solenoid valve 24 volt, and this is nozzle, and this all are fitting of RO, this elbow, and this is the electrical tape, then two-way tape, and this is the pipe cutter, and this is cable tie. So after that we see how to we install all accessories this body. First you remove the cover and the stand for safety purpose, right? Then first we assemble that body connector for nozzle. You connect here because we already drill this two holes for sensor and one hole for nozzle, and this two holes for LED indication power and pump start. So first you take this connector and put here and fix inside one washer and one screw like this and tight it. Then take this part and again take one body connector. For this is the water or chemical blockage purpose, so you put like this. Again you take one washer and one screw for fixing purpose, and this is for blocking the water, so you block from here and like this, and again assemble. Then you take one elbow and this type of elbow and connect here like this. Then take this two pipes, one for inside for suction purpose, and fix properly like this, and one for this side, this goes to pump inlet. The size you see as per your body and pump after pump installation. So you put your pump like this. Here we put one cable tie for tightening purpose. You put here screw also as per your convent. Then this is the controller, and this is the SV. For SV installation purpose you require this two pipes. One pipe put at that booster outside. After that SV. Then again one pipe for nozzle, and this is the input of pump connection here like this. Then fix the pump, then fix the controller. This is the indicator, so you put like this, and this is the sensor, IR sensor. You put like this, and glue all the PCBs with glue gun. This is fixed with two-way tape, and this is fixed with this cable tie or screw, and this all connections you fix it. This is nozzle pipe. So this all pipes you cut with sizes. So this pipe like this you connect then like this. So this is the pump connection. This is suction pipe. This is suction pipe. Chemical come from here and out from here. Then pump inlet, pump outlet. Here one SV. Then this nozzle. So chemical come from here. Then you connect the SMPS. What is this like this? And all connections. This is the output of controller. So all red wires, the pump red wire and this SV red wire and this black and white wire, you connect like this. And this is again black wire of pump and SV black wire and SV white wire and controller black wire. Connect like this. And all wire you tape it. Fix the all, tight it. With help of two-way tape, you fix this. So this is ready. Then this is the nozzle, and for nozzle fixing, you take it this one elbow and fix like this. After fixing this, then with cutter break this pipe. So it's like this and fix here like this. So this is your sanitizer controller machine is ready, and now you test it.
Thank you.